Alright, finally I am here at the Seven Dwarf ride. Earlier when we came in the morning, this one was not working. So finally it started working, and then, like, you know, there are a lot of people. For a second, I think there was a lightning pass opened, but I was not able to get that one, so I'm standing in line. They're saying it's gonna take 95 minutes. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but like, this is one ride that I really wanted to do it for the past couple of years, so let's see how it is. All right, hopefully it's not gonna be 95 minutes. So they have diamond farm here. Those are like 7 dwarfs on the ceiling right now. All right, that's something new. There are a lot of treasures here, so if you rotate, like, all the dwarfs come in on the ceiling. Magical dwarfs. All right, so good news is that the line is moving a little faster than earlier. We were like stuck in the we were really stuck outside. Now it's like moving a little bit faster than what it was, so let's see how it is. Finally going on a ride. Be careful with your hat. Yeah, I think it might fall. All right, here we go. Finally. Uh-oh. Yay! All right, we are going up the hill. All right, let's see how that drop is. It's crazy drop. Nice. Oh, yeah! That was fun. Oh, that's it? Oh, I hope that's not it. Alright, we have these 7 dwarfs here. They're mining the gold. We have like one gold here. Alright, we have one more drop, guys. Alright. That looks stiff. Nice, nice. Alright, we are going up. I know. Alright, guys. Alright, so this might be a bigger drop than earlier. We're going back. Are we going back? Alright, we're not going back, we're going straight. Magic Kingdom is over there. That was good! That was fun! That was great. I'm Magic Kingdom! Oh man, I wish it was doing the data. What's going on? Wow, that was fun. Look at Snow White. Yeah, Snow White and the 7 Dwarf dancing. Well, it was fun. After going on this Seven Dwarf Mine Train ride, I had a couple of things that I wanted to share with you, and tips and tricks that might help you as well. So let's go ahead with this video. We have been to Disney multiple times in the past.
but we never had an opportunity to go on this ride because, as you know, that this ride is one of the most popular ride at the Magic Kingdom, and the lines are super busy, super crazy. So we had always skipped in the past, but this time around we made this ride as one of the priorities, saying, hey, we wanted to do this ride. So we had a strategy, and the strategy was, since we were staying at the Disney property, whoever stays at the Disney property get early access to the park. So instead of 9 a.m., you can get inside the park at 8:30. So that was our strategy, to wake up really early, get to the park as as early as possible, skip everything and just get to this ride, and then finish this ride as early as possible. Everything worked out fine. We woke up early, got the kids, got to the park early, super early, skipped every lines, everything, and then just walk towards this ride. After we reached this ride, we came to know that the ride was shut down and they did not have any information on when the ride was going to open. We were disappointed. A lot of people were disappointed at that time around there, but we did not want this disappointment to impact our whole day, because we had a whole day planned out. So we went to other rides, and it was such an amazing day. We had a lot of fun. We went to most of the rides. Later we were checking the app. The ride opened up, but at that time we were at a different part of the park, so we were not able to come back. Like around 7 o'clock we reached this ride, but the line was super crazy line. It was 90 minutes. They're saying it was 90-minute line. So my wife decided to take the kids to meet the princess while I wait in this line. Looking at the line, I thought it's not gonna take 90 minutes, but unfortunately it took us 90 minutes to get on the ride. So it was not fun to wait for 90 minutes. But eventually I was able to get on the ride. I was super excited. I have a lot of I was super excited. There's a lot of anticipation and then a lot of excitement to get on the ride, because it was a long time coming. So we got on the ride. The ride was super fun. It was super cute, and I highly recommend that if you have kids, bring your kids to this ride. They will have so much fun. While I was on the ride, I was having fun, right? It was super fun, but once the ride was done, later on I asked myself whether it was worth waiting 90 minutes, and the answer is no. I don't think this ride is worth waiting 90 minutes. In order to avoid staying in the 90 minutes line, there are like 3 things that you can do, right? Tips or tricks, whatever you want to call it. 3 things in my opinion that you can do. The first thing is, like we just discussed, if you are staying on a Disney property, get to the park as early as you can, skip everything and just get to this ride, and then you will be done and over with this ride. Hopefully that time the ride will be functioning, so you don't have to be disappointed as us. That is the number 1 trick. The second tip would be to buy the Lightning Lane Pass. They do sell Lightning Lane Pass per rides. So this is one of the ride, I think it's worth paying $11. At that time when we went, it was $11 for the Lightning Lane Pass. I wanted to buy it, but it went by so fast, right? I could not buy the Lightning Lane anymore. So if you had an opportunity, buy the Lightning Lane, so you can skip all the lines and you can just go to the ride and you'll be done and over with. I know it's extra money, but I think it's worth spending that money, because you are at Disney. Disney is really expensive, right? You cannot go to Disney every other day or something like that, so it's really expensive. So you're planning and then spending 90 days staying in a line. I don't think it's worth it. There are a lot of things that you can do in Disney, so maybe this is one ride that you can just pay those extra $11 or whatever, because again, the Disney changes so much, right? Their thing changes so much. By the time this video is published, I don't know what the thing is, but this is our experience, how we felt. Then personally, I should have paid that extra money to get get that Lightning Lane. And oh, by the way, one more thing, we did had the multi-lane Lightning Lane, but this is one of the ride that did not allow the multi lightning lane pass. So you need to get that lightning lane. So but saying that, I highly recommend getting the multi-line, because we were able to go on all the other rides. It was super helpful. I'm gonna make a separate video on this topic of multi-line lightning lane pass. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you are going to Disney and you have kids, and then if you want to enjoy it, just pay that extra money. I know it's not, some things are not avoidable. I think it's super helpful. All right, that was the second tip, is like just get the lightning lane. And the third option is, it depends upon the individual, right? If you have been to Disney before, or if you don't care about the fireworks, then maybe you can skip the firework and go on the ride that you want. For instance, if you really wanted to go on the Seven Dwarf, when the fireworks happening around 9 o'clock, don't go to the fireworks, go straight to the go to the ride. At that time the lines will be super low. All right, you can just go, you don't have to wait for 90 minutes. My wife did the same thing for the Tron ride. For me, it almost took like an hour to get on the Tron ride, but for her, like, she basically didn't have to wait. She just went around and then completed the whole experience in less around 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes maximum. But literally she just walked through everything and got on the ride and just came back. So that is one of the tricks, right? You can do is avoid the fireworks and just go to any of the rides, in this case the Seven Dwarf. That way you can skip the line, there will be no lines. So that can be another option. So 3 options. First option is, if you're staying in Disney, get to the park as early as possible. That way there's a possibility you might skip the line. The second one, I think that's a sure shot, is like you just get the lightning lane if it's available for you, so you can skip the line. And the third option is like skip the whole the fireworks and get to it. All right, these were the 3 tips from me, and obviously 4 is like, if you wanted to, you can always stand on the line, stand by the line, but I'll never wait 90 minutes again on Disney if we go in the future. All right, so it was it for this video. I hope this helps you guys when you are at Disney. If you like this kind of video, please do subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting more videos on Disney topic. There will be a couple of long vlogs that will cover everything, all the rides, everything, tips and tricks, and what are things that you can do to avoid lines, or like those kind of things are coming in a longer video. So yeah, if you wanted to subscribe to our channel, that will help us, and also hit the bell icon, so whenever we post this kind of video you get notified and help us out. All right, until then, see you in the next video. Bye.